Continuing on with problem number 2, part D says find the temperature of the water 3 minutes after it has been placed in the room. All right, so all of our work so far in this problem has led us up to this question because now we know our A value, we know our B value, and we know our K value, and now they also give us the M value by telling us it's been in the room for 3 minutes. So now we're finally going to calculate T. So we would have T equals 20 plus 80 times 1.25 to the negative third power. And we can just type that right into our calculator. And it comes out to be 60.96 degrees Celsius. Part E says find the total time needed for the water to reach a temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. Give your answer in minutes and seconds, correct to the nearest second. So now they give us a temperature, they give us a T value, 35, and they want us to find M. So if I plug that information in the equation, I would have 35 equals 20 plus 80 times 1.25 to the negative M power. All right, so we need to start solving this equation for M, trying to get M by itself. So the first thing I would do is subtract 20 from both sides. Get 15 equals 80 times 1.25 to the negative M power. Next, I would want to get rid of the 80 by dividing both sides by 80. 15 divided by 80 is 0.1875. So we have 0.1875 equals 1.25 to the negative M power. Now, since our variable is in the exponent, okay, some people might want to try and type this into y equals on their calculator and look at the table of values to see if they can find M. But if it's not a whole number, another way that we can find M is by using logarithms. So what I can do is take the log base of 1.25 of 1.875 to get M. So when I do that log base of the right-hand side, it brings M out of the exponent, and we're left with negative M. Now I can type this into the calculator by going to the math button, going down to letter A, so log base of 1.25 of 0.1875 gets us a value of about negative 7.50. But since we have a negative M, we would have to divide both sides by negative 1 to get the actual M. So M comes out to be about 7.5 minutes, but it says it wants us to write it out in minutes and seconds, so that would be 7 minutes and 30 seconds.